Like I promised y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a full tour of our mini mansion. So before I get into that, man, this is of course the Credit X ATL Credit Content House, man. Back at it with another vlog over here, man. So before I give you all on the tour, let me explain the crib first, right? I give everybody two options. We're either gonna get a stupid big mansion and we only get content inside that mansion, or we get something like literally 6 minutes away from downtown, something that can accommodate everybody, while also still having a dope aesthetic. We can get content on the inside, and everybody chose that. So this is actually not a mansion, but it's a mini mansion, but it's still really dope on the inside. Now, we're 6 minutes away from downtown, and not gonna lie to y'all, kinda in the hood. But look though, everybody cool. We literally play basketball. First, let us play basketball at this court. You're gonna see a video on that, of course. But like, it's cool out here, I'm not gonna lie. So that being said, let's go inside the crib, and y'all can see everybody working. Now we got Melly, Aaron, and Malik. They're actually at the studio getting content right now. They're actually recording. I know Melly's rapping, Malik's playing his guitar, and Aaron is having them wear his unreleased sample to get content. So everybody's getting content there. So going inside the crib, we got everybody getting content, everybody grinding. So we got a dope podcast wall. That's what I call this wall, right? So to me, this is what stood out the most. I wanted everybody to experience this in like a podcast setting. And I feel like it's really dope background and just a real cool space to chill. Like you can see Brajan right here grinding, editing right here. And then two, we got my boy Dallas, got a few models, got Rod over here taking pictures of his brand. And I just feel like it's a real dope open area. So then right here, dope table, dope accent around here. This railing is a dope setup. Open kitchen. My biggest thing was having a really open space just so everybody can basically see each other and hold each other accountable. This whole point of this trip is to get content, y'all, and to grind. So like, I didn't want it to be closed off at any point where somebody can go and hide. I don't want nobody to hide. Right now, it's currently, what time is it? It's basically 11 o'clock, y'all. It's 11 o'clock, and we're still grinding, getting content. Melly and them are still at the studio. Like, that's the whole point of this trip. So I love the open floor plan. So then we go downstairs. Now this place is tough, I'm not gonna lie. This is where we've been hosting our meetings at. And this is a theater room. So you can see we got the seating, the day bed, big old TV, and then, hold on, I gotta show y'all. We got the stars on the roof. Come on now. Outside of that, we have a bar area, and this is where actually Lewis cut my hair. Gave me a clean haircut. Again, content. We out here getting content, y'all. Right here leads to the hot tub, but I'm gonna go the long way because this is locked, so I'm gonna show y'all the hot tub outside in a second. But got a bathroom down here. Again, this is the theater room. This is where we come together for our meetings. Then we go back upstairs. Quick detour. Finna get the food. Did you see a DoorDash by any chance?
Somebody ran off with your food?
Somebody ran off with the food, man. Girl said the food's out here, food's not out here. So, what do? More content. This is the master bedroom. Show the room. Cool little closet space in here. Dope giant mirror for, of course, the fashion influencers who want to do the thick pics. And nice plant, nice light. My bad. You said what? All right, now we're getting the food. My bad. I'm getting it in their way.
You gotta get food outside?
Yes. Appreciate it.
Can I see?
Hold on, I have to change it.
Now we're getting the food. Here's the next bedroom. So, Mentee of the quarter goes to my boy George, and that's gonna be a whole separate video right there. But this is his bedroom. Since he won Mentee of the quarter, he got his own private bedroom, and then next is gonna be some chains. But I'm gonna show you how to change in a minute. Leaving here. Excuse me. We go upstairs. So here's the upstairs. Here's one bedroom. 2 beds in here. We come in here. Cool little small bathroom. Ain't nothing crazy for real. Then we go in here. Cool little desk setup. People can grind and work right here. Random treadmill, I guess. Workout area if you want. I don't know, lift a couple weights. Don't know. but it's here. Washer, dryer, vacuum. Then we go this way. Cool accent wall, cool plant. Turn that off for them. Bedroom. Queen size bunk beds. Now, again, I wanted it to be an experience. I wanted everybody to be together and really grind and really force people to connect. So that's why like really every single room has like at least some type of junction between people, whether it's the 2 in there or the 1, 2, 3, 4 in here. Regardless, I want people to get out their comfort zones and really, really grind and force each other to work. The whole point of this trip is to make content, to make connections, and to work. Somebody's in the bathroom. Bathroom is tough. I'll get that later. But yeah, we got a couch in the middle, 2 bunk beds, giant TV with a dope accent on top. I think this is a really dope spot, especially when it comes to just kind of have this as a home base. Cause like today was like the only time we really stayed in, but we didn't even stay in today. A lot of people was going out. They went out, I don't even know where, but I'm not even gonna lie. They just made content, and that's the beauty of it. It's just like, we come out here and that's what they wanted to do. They wanted to come here and make this like the home base where we can of course get content here. That's why we got the content wall, the theater room. You know, it's nothing too flashy, but it's enough to get the job done until we go outside. Tomorrow we got a lot of outside running around, and Saturday we got a lot of outside running around. So I feel like this was a dope home base to have. And it's just like a lot of like really good areas where you can just make random good content. Like prime example, look at this. When it comes to making content, like you wouldn't think this is like crazy good, but like this is all you need to make content for real. Of course, this is a wide lens on my camera so you can see more, but on a phone lens, you can only see this. You might see that light. Then we have a lot of plants, a lot of, you know, things like right here where this is all you need for content. You don't need a lot to make good content, y'all. And that's what I'm teaching them. Nice little setting right here, y'all. This is all you need. In front of this TV, another full body mirror. Like, there's so much you can do here and leverage to your advantage. And that's again what I'm showing everybody here is how you just need the smallest piece of wiggle room and be able to just run with it essentially, y'all. Don't take much. But you can see everybody networking, everybody grinding. Dallas, you need me yet? Okay, bet. You can see everybody grinding. My bad. Everybody grinding, networking, put it in work, y'all. This is what it's all about, honestly. Hot tub, almost forgot. Dope deck outside. Cool outside area. Show the table. We can turn that on. Fire. You love fire. Cool deck. 3 level. Is this 3 level? No, this is 2 level. But even just out here, hot tub. Like, bro, like, this is a really dope spot, honestly. I'm real happy with it. And everyone else is happy with it too. You know, I made sure I connect with everybody and just ask them like personally to see like, hey, how do you feel about the trip so far? How's your first day? How do you feel about the spot? Everybody loves it, man. And this is literally only the start. We're only gonna get bigger, we're only gonna get better. And for this to be the first event that I throw, I feel like it's going very successful because this is only day 1. And I already recorded 6 YouTube videos. They're already getting content for literally a week. Like, this is such an amazing thing, bro. And I'm so blessed and so happy to be able to do this, y'all. But yeah, it's nothing crazy. For a first event, I think this is a great spot to have. And that pretty much sums up everything. Hold on, I gotta show the C2W drip. But hey, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Quick little mini mansion tour. I'm about to eat because I ain't eat all day. I know Blair ain't eat all day. My shorty in there tearing up the food, so I need to make sure that I still got my food. Make sure y'all stay tuned to the C2W x ATL marathon, where I'm literally gonna have 30 YouTube videos posted just for out here, y'all. So just make sure y'all stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna tap on with y'all with the next ATL video.